You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and have a look at its meaning, because it's important for the pronunciation. It comes from Latin, originally Quomodocunquize. Quomodo is by any means, cunque possible. Quomodocunquize, okay, so that's the Latin pronunciation where it comes from. The verb has been derived from this Latin phrase and is pronounced Quomodocunquize. Now, some in English pronounce it as Quomodocunquize, which is kind of okay as well, conquize or cunquize. It's a little bit better, more Latin. Quomodocunquize is the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.